guys, what's up? Welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. Today I'm going to be doing a super fun video about how I edit and plan and organize my videos. I'm very excited because I finally have a very great system and I really want to share it with you guys for any other new YouTubers, or maybe not new YouTubers, maybe old YouTubers. Who knows how new or old you are. But it's just the way that I like to do it, in case you guys wanted to know. But yeah, before we get into it, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you're notified every single time I post, leave a like and a comment, and make sure you follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. Okay, so the first thing that I always do is have a very big brainstorming session. And I do this on this website called Trello. It's actually an app you can get if you have a MacBook. It's an app on the App Store that you can get. And I have a board called YouTube. And so in my okay ideas / master list of ideas, I'll sit there for like once a week for like an hour. Honestly, like an hour for once a week, or twice a week depending on how I'm feeling. I'll just come up with tons and tons of ideas. I'll either like think of ideas through the week, or I'll see a video and I kind of want to do something like that, or I'll like Google video ideas, and then I'll put them all into that list. Then what I'll do is take those ideas and find the ones that I really like and I feel like my subscribers would really like, and I move them over to the best ideas column. Then I usually like to have like 7-ish videos like up next, so in the progress of about to be filming, and then 2 videos in progress, and then videos that I've already filmed that I need to post. So basically I'll go through my best ideas, pick some of those that I actually want to like put on my channel like now, like this is the perfect time to do it. I'll put it in the up next column, and then every single day I film and will edit 2 videos. So in my up next column or category, I will drag 2 of those videos to the in progress and then film those for today. So for example, the 2 videos that I'm going to be filming today are how I edit / plan my videos and my study routine. And then I only have 1 video that's already pre-filmed and just ready to post, which is my what's in my purse video that you will see. It will already be up by the time you see this, because you'll be seeing this on, I believe, Thursday, and my what's in my purse will go up Wednesday, so it should have been up yesterday. So basically this is how I organize all of my ideas, and I really like it, and I'm not sponsored at all. But any of like apps or websites that I'm talking about, I'm not sponsored. This is just my own opinions about everything. So yeah, Trello is a very great idea for like organizing all of my ideas and putting them into like how I want to organize them when I want to record. And being, since I'm daily uploading, I want to have at least like 2 or 3 videos that are filmed and ready to post in case something happens. Like maybe I want to go hang out with my friend all day, but I don't have time to film and edit that day. Well, I already have videos that I want to post. So after I have my 2 videos out that are in the in progress category, I completely plan them out. So I will Google like how I edit my videos and like look at all the titles of related videos to come up with a really good title that I know will try to hopefully get some traction based off of search. So I'll make my title based on that. Then after I figure out my title, I kind of plan out different categories and different things that I want to touch on within the video. So for example, I'll be showing you guys this right now, obviously, but as you can see, I have the video that I'm talking about right now that I'm currently filming. I have it planned out, and then my study routine video, I also have that planned out right here too. And then I kind of just give myself like very broad points, that way I can touch on them more in the video and go more in depth on it, but just so I have like all the points that I know that I need to hit. And then after that I start filming, and I film, it depends on the type of video that I'm filming. So for a night routine or morning routine, I'll film an intro and outro. And then I'll film the actual video first, just because I always like filming my intros and outros first. It just makes the most sense in my brain. And then I'll film all the little clips for the video after. So all the clips that you're seeing within this video where I'm showing you my computer screen, or anything like that, or any other like, you know, things like that, I'll be filming after I film this part. So the long part of my whole process is the editing part. Hey! Before we get any further into the video, you guys should hit the subscribe button because it's free. You'll never miss any of my content, and since I'm daily uploading, like, you don't want to miss any of those daily uploads, you know? So go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. So when it comes to editing my videos, I will take the SD card out of the camera and I'll put it into this adapter and plug it into my computer because my MacBook only has these little things. And then after I plug that in, I'll export all of my files onto my computer and put them all into iMovie, and I edit everything through iMovie, and I really just do basic cuts. It's nothing like too insane. I'll kind of show you a layout of one of my videos. So my night routine I'll use because I'm actually really proud of how I edited this. So as you can see in the very beginning, I have kind of this little title page. It says nighttime routine, and then I have copies of other clips within my video with some music, and then my other intro, and then just stuff like this. I'm very basic with my editing. As you can see, like I have my voice recording on the bottom and then the music recording right there. So my editing is just basically like chopping and putting music and voiceovers. But for these little title pages, so like for nighttime routine and all that, I'll show you guys how I make that on my phone, and I'll put it on the screen right here. Okay, so for making a title page, it says like nighttime routine or the title of the video, so I'll make one for this video, how I edit my videos. I go into this app called Phonto, which is literally like, if you don't have Phonto already, get it. It is the best thing ever for content creators. Then I'm going to click on the screen, and I'm going to hit the button that says plain image. So in the plain image, I always will hit the one that's the white screen, and then I'll pick like any kind of color that I like. So for this video, I'm wearing yellow, so maybe we'll do like pastel yellow, like this. Then I'm going to hit apply, and then I'm going to go to the top where it has the dimensions, and I'm going to hit custom. And then for the width, I put 1280, and for the height, I put 720, because that's for like video dimensions. Then I'm gonna hit the little share button and hit use. And then I'm gonna add my text. So for this one, it's how I edit. So for this video in specific, I'm thinking of doing little title pages between every little subject, you know? So for example, the title page for the actual video is going to be how I edit and plan my videos. So you're going to go ahead and just type that out like this. And I'm going to just make the size a little smaller so it fits. As you can tell, white doesn't look very good on black because you can't see it. So I'm going to hit style, and I'm going to find a cute color that will look really good with the yellow. Thinking pink. Thinking pink. I think the pink is really cute. So all I do is I'll do this, and then I'll hit save. Then I'm gonna do the exact same thing, but flip the colors. So a pink background with the yellow words. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna hit reset, plain image, white. I'm gonna pick a pink color, do apply, hit use, so the font size should be the same as it was before, and then you're just gonna go in and get that yellow. And it's kind of hard to like exactly match it up because my first instinct was to match it up perfectly, but it kind of like went up a little, and I actually like the way it looks. So even if you try to match it up, it probably won't be perfectly matched up, but you don't want it to be. And then I airdrop it to my MacBook Pro. And then I'll show you guys how I edit it on my MacBook Pro. Okay, so after that, I do thumbnail. Now, thumbnails are really fun for me to make, and I have a very specific process on how I make them. So after like my complete, you know, video has been completely edited, I'll start exporting it. While it's exporting, I make the thumbnail. So I'll go into VSco. This is the first app that I'll use. Then I'll hit the little plus button, and I'll kind of use my car, or I'll do this one. This is a thumbnail I was going to use for my my how to prepare for a new semester, but I obviously used this one of me doing the little duck face. So I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to save it to my camera roll, and I usually edit it with the C1 filter. Everything is edited with that. Then I go into Phonto, of course, and I'm going to go to reset, photo albums. And then this is the fun part. This is my favorite part of editing thumbnails. So I'll add the text. So we'll do like how to And we can change the size to make it a little bit bigger. Usually I like white texts with like a different stroke. So we'll do like the yellow, no, the pink. Then you can like tilt it a little bit of a curve. We'll tilt it the other way. And I'll kind of mess around with this for a long time with like how I'm putting my texts, the colors that I'm using, etc. I usually just mess around with it for a while. And then once I find something that I like, I export it, I like airdrop it to my computer. The next thing that I do is I'll make a folder on my actual computer, and within that folder, I put all of my video clips, I put the exported video, I put the thumbnail, I literally will put everything in that, I'll put everything in that folder, so that way the next day when I'm uploading it, or the next couple of days when I'm uploading the video, I can just drag it from my folder to YouTube, and it makes everything so much easier. And then with the description, I actually have a document on a Word document that I made that I just copy and paste to each of my descriptions, and then I'll just change the sub count on the bottom, and I'll change the like description of the actual video, you know, for that, to pertain to that certain video. And then I upload it, and that's pretty much everything that I do. And I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you're notified every single time I post, leave a like and a comment, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.